Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Licking County, Fairfield County, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:47 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from 13 miles north of Hartford to Summit Station to 11 miles west of Stoutsville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include damaging winds to 70 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Pickerington, Pawtascala, Baltimore, Granville, Utica, Heath, Lancaster, Buckeye Lake, Newark, Bremen. In addition, Summit Station, Jersey, Hartford, Johnstown, Logopolis, State Route 310 at State Route 161, Beechwood Trails and Etna are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 111 and 142. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.